The OHAUS Explorer Semi-Micro is a highly precise laboratory balance designed for applications that require highly accurate measurements in the range of milligrams mg or even micrograms μg. It is part of OHAUS Explorer line, known for its accuracy, reliability, and advanced features. Semi-micro balances such as Explorer typically provide the ability to measure samples with an accuracy of 0.001 milligrams, 1 microgram, or better. Excellent repeatability and high-precision measurement are ideal for research, pharmaceuticals, and high analytical work applications. Usually equipped with a large, color touchscreen display that provides clear and easy-to-navigate controls. The Explorer series includes semi-micro models with capacities ranging from 50 grams to 120 grams, depending on the specific model, suitable for very small sample weight with high accuracy, automatic calibration, and environmental monitoring to maintain consistent performance. Equipped with USB and RS-232 ports to connect to printer, PC, or other devices for data logging and reporting. Ideal for applications that require extremely fine measurements in academic or scientific research. This balance is extremely valuable in environments where accuracy is paramount and is ideal for laboratories where accurate measurements of very small amounts of matter are required. For more information, visit Certified MTP.